For today's video, I'm going to be talking about pricing in your business. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Miss La. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I'm also the entrepreneur of 3 different fashion and beauty related brands. Before we jump into the video, I do want to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos each week, and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. So check out the shirt I'm wearing, guys. This is from one of my brands called Fab Fash, and I will put a link below, but this is a t-shirt. This is a women's fitted t-shirt that you can get, and it says Black Girl Certified, and I do have it in 2 colors currently, so I'm going to put a link, so be sure to visit the website as well to get your t-shirt. So today I'm going to be talking about pricing within your business. I know that for me, it took me not a long time, but it took me a little bit to kind of get a grasp on what I should be charging for products and services. And a lot of times when you're a new business owner, you want to price like a little bit lower so you stay competitive and people come to you, but sometimes that's not always a good thing. You don't want to start off by devaluing what your product or your service is about. You want to charge the correct amount. My first piece of advice is to literally write down each component that goes into your product or your service. And when I say that, meaning if you're mailing out things, what does it take for your postage supplies? If you have specific branding things such as like postcards, inserts, mailers, business cards, packaging tape, poly mailers, whatever it is that makes up your actual product or service, write down what it costs to put that product or service together so you can see exactly on paper what each thing cost. And how I did it was, let's say for instance I use poly mailers. So if I got like 10 mailers for like $25, then I divided the 25 by the 10. Is that right? I think it's right. But I divided the number quantity that I got by the dollar amount it cost to get it. And let's say like it was, I don't know, $1.50. So I'm sorry, $1.25. So I would take the $1.25 and I would add that on as cost that it takes for me to ship out this product. Next, you want to know how much you want to make within that product or service. So once again, going into, let's say you are a boutique and you sell different things. What would be the amount you would want to make per item? For example, a purse. Let's say you paid $7 for the purse. By the time you added up all the costs associated with getting that purse out to a potential customer, in addition to that, how much more do you want to make? Whether it be $3, whether it be $5, whether it be $10. You need to know that and add that on to your cost. When you are figuring out your pricing, for me, I allow a little bit of a margin to account for if I have a sale. So for example, if I'm selling a t-shirt for, let's say $10, then I need to also do a percentage of a markup to allow for if I have a sale. So let's say I wanted to run a flash sale for like, you get 15% off. When I'm figuring out my regular pricing, I account for the highest amount I would have a sale for, and I throw that into the cost. So when I have the sale, it's not so much that I hurt from having the sale profit-wise, because I've already figured it into the cost. When you figured out all of your costs, put it in writing where you can see it. Get you a spreadsheet, put it up where you can see it. To me, you are looking at what your product or your service is worth. Sometimes we have a tendency to, let's say for instance, you are a wedding planner and someone comes to you, they want to plan a wedding for 250 people. You say, okay, well, it's going to cost you like $1,500. When you see that cost, you know what they're paying $1,500 for. If you constantly look at that all the time and you can see it, that way you won't devalue your service because you know what goes into making that. So my advice is to figure out your pricing, put it in print so you can see it, and you won't ever go astray from it. And when you do go astray, you can pretty much know what your loss would be. So those are my quick tips for pricing. If you have any tips, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know your thoughts. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos each week. Have a great day, guys. Bye.